everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install and set up the official OpenAI Codex CLI and connect it to a free API provider so you can start using it without purchasing OpenAI API credits. We'll go through the entire process step by step, including installing the CLI, creating the required configuration files, setting up authentication, and making sure everything works correctly. For this video, we're going to use a Chinese API provider that's currently offering free API access. All of the setup instructions are available in their documentation. If you open the docs and navigate to the Codex section, you'll find everything needed to configure and run Codex. Now copy this command. npm install. Open command prompt or PowerShell, paste the command, and press enter. This will download and install the official Codex CLI globally on your system. The installation is now complete. By the way, there's another way to install Codex if you prefer using Homebrew. I already have the .codex directory on my system, so I'll be skipping this step. If you're installing Codex for the first time, open PowerShell and run the following commands. Open the .codex directory and locate the auth.json file. Open it using any text editor you prefer, such as Notepad, VS Code, or Notepad++. Delete everything inside the file. Then go back to the documentation, copy this API configuration, and paste it into auth.json. Now go to the API keys section of the provider dashboard and create a new API key. You can give it a name like Codex to keep things organized. Once the key is generated, copy it immediately since many providers only show it once. Next, open your auth.json file and replace the placeholder value with your newly generated API key. It should look something like this. Head back to the documentation and scroll down until you find the config.toml configuration. Copy the entire contents exactly as shown in the docs. Then open your .codex directory, locate the existing config.toml file, and delete it. Create a new file named config.toml. Paste the configuration you copied from the documentation and save it. That's it for the setup. Now open a new terminal window, type Codex, and press enter. If everything was configured correctly, Codex will start up and you'll be ready to use it right from your terminal. You can now ask coding questions, generate code, debug projects, review code, and use all the other Codex features without needing to set up anything else. And that's pretty much it for this video. If this guide helped you get Codex running, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more AI, coding, cybersecurity, and developer tool content. If you run into any issues during the setup, drop a comment below and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching. and I'll see you in the next one. Rocket!